Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I would like to show you how to add hashtags above your YouTube video titles. So make sure you're logged in. Go to my channel, click right above here, top right, my channel, and you're going to add a hashtag. Select one of the videos that you want to add a hashtag. I'm just gonna select this one here, for example, and you're gonna edit the video. So edit video, and to add the hashtag, all you have to do, you can add up to 3 hashtags. Right here in the description, you're going to go all the way to the bottom. This is where I usually add them, at the bottom, and right over here you'll see I have hashtag YouTube, hashtag tutorial, hashtag videos. So when you type the hashtags that you want to have, just save right up here, save changes, and when you go back here and select the video, you're gonna see the hashtags right here, right above the title. And these hashtags you can click on these hashtags. So I'm just gonna click on that. Now I'm gonna show you one that I changed. Hello everybody. The hashtags to something more specific to the video. Let me go back here. So right here, these are all my videos so far. Let me select this one here.
Guys, welcome back to my channel.
So right here you'll see I have 3 hashtags: how to add links, tutorial, hashtag tutorial, and hashtag add links. So I'm gonna click on the add links, and you'll see my video right over here, how to add links to your YouTube channel. So I customized the hashtag, something that relates to the video. That way, people can actually find the video, and it'll make it so that it, eventually it'll rank above or it'll rank better than other videos. So of course that's something that you want to include in your channel. It can help you. Now if you want to add a hashtag on all of your videos, then click my channel, go to customize channel, and right here you're gonna click on video manager, and you're going to select all the videos by clicking right over here next to the action. When you click on that, it selects all the videos. You're gonna go to action, click there, and you're gonna click on description. So when you click on description, select append to end, and then just type hashtag whatever it is that you want to add. Let's say YouTube tutorial videos. So you're gonna click on submit. You're about to update 14 videos. You won't be able to perform another bulk action task until this update is done. Click on I understand and click yes, submit. It's gonna take a few moments to update that information on all of the videos. Now this won't change your description. It's just gonna add this information to the videos on the description. So I'm just gonna wait for it to upload, and I'm gonna click on one of the videos to see if the change has happened. Now it's gonna take a little bit. There we go. So video successfully updated. I'm gonna click on this video, and I'm gonna go
Hey guys,
to
welcome back to another
edit video. Actually, you could just go down to show more. There it is. Under the description, right at the bottom, it added. Now originally I had these 3 already. It added the YouTube tutorial videos that for all the videos. So you can go back and change it however you like, but that's how you can make a change to all the videos at once. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. I'm going to continue to make helpful tutorial videos, quick videos, just to help you guys out. Let me know if you have a video in mind that you need help with, and I'll be happy to make one. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Peace.